Irish.
Oh my God. You okay?
I'm all right. I'm all right.
Our Irish piano player. Are you okay?
No.
The chairperson.
It's not a safe bench.
Do you want this chair? Do you want this chair here?
I reckon the chair would be lovely.
Do you want that one?
Do you want this? The
Do you want
folding
this
chair?
folding chair?
Look better?
Did you get that?
Yeah.
I want to copy that.
All right. Yeah. So Gerald said, "That's great. Sing it," and she sang it. We all went, "Oh, I gotta sing that too." Yeah.
So it's bad,
She
it's
has,
Gerald's
a cheat,
fault.
she has a cheat sheet. Yes, it's all Gerald's fault if it's not. But she has a lyric cheat sheet because she didn't know she was doing this until just now.
This is a Sondheim piece, by the way.
Yes, right
From a television show that he wrote years ago. Anthony Perkins started.
Yep, called Evening Primrose. Yes.
Oh, this thing is off now, apparently.
Hold on, because you pulled it out of the wall.
Then I pulled it out of the wall.
When you fell.
Oh, I pulled it out of the wall. I'm so
When that
sorry.
horrible accident happened.
Oh, what a horrible man I am.
There we go.